Okay, boys and girls, so we are going to go through pages 147 and 148. This is what you were assigned math today on Friday. Let's take a look at problem number 4. So it looks like we are using an area model to break apart a 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication problem. So let's zoom in here. We're going to try to squeeze this in. So I know that with an area model, I am representing both place values. And since I have a 2-digit by 2-digit, I need to break apart both of these factors. 18 can be broken apart into the place values representing the tens place and the ones place. And then 25, I'll do the same thing, 20 and 5. Now I'm ready to multiply. I don't really know 10 times 20, but I do know place value, and when you are multiplying by 10, you are moving over one place value or adding a 0. So 20 times 10 would give me a product of 200. And then 20 times 8, I really don't know 20 times 8, but I can multiply 8 times 2, which is 16. And then I'm going to bring down that 0 because I really wasn't multiplying just by 2, but I was multiplying by 20. So I have a partial product of 160. Now I can multiply 10 times 5, and I know that. That's 50. And finally, 8 times 5. I've been studying my basic facts, and that is 40. So now I'm going to add my partial products together. 200 plus 160 gives me 360. And then if I add straight down here, 50 plus 40, I know will give me a total of 90. So now I can add those two partial products, 360 plus 90 will give me a final product of zeros. 6 plus 9 is 15. Carry the 1, 3 plus 1 is 4. So I have a product of 450. Excellent. Let's look at problem number 6. Again, we're going to break apart both of these 2-digit factors. The first factor, 22, will be broken apart into its place value, 20 and 2. And the second one, 88. 88. Now I can multiply. I don't know 20 times 80, but I do know 2 times 8, which is 16. But then I know that because I was multiplying by 20 and 80, I need to add those two zeros. So I actually have a partial product of 1,600. And then I can multiply 2 times 80. That's the same as 80 plus 80, which will give me a partial product of 160. And now 20 times 8, 2 times 8 is 16, and add that 0, again, 160. And finally, multiplying the ones place, 2 times 8, which is 16. That one was pretty tricky. So now I can add these partial products of 1,600 plus 160, another 160, and 16. And when I add those together, 0, 0, 0, 6, that would leave a 6 here. 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 1 more is 13. Carry my 1. 1 plus 6 is 7, plus 2 more, 8, 9. And 1, I have nothing to add it to, so I'm going to bring that down. I have a product of 1,936. Let's keep going. Number 8. 30 times 27. I'm going to set up my area model. Again, this is 2-digit by 2-digit. 30, 30 and 0. And this number 27 is 20 and 7. Now I'm ready to multiply. I don't know 30 times 20, but 3 times 2 is 6. Add my 2 zeros. 0 times 20 is 0. 30 times 7. Well, I know that 3 times 7 is 21. add my 0, and 0 times 7 is 0. So really we're just adding this top row straight across, and I know that most of you can probably do that in your head, giving you a final product of 810. Excellent. Last one, number 10, 29 times 50. I'm going to create my area model. That would be 20 and 9 for 29. I almost wrote a 9 here. See, that's why it's really important to kind of slow down, think about your place values. Then this one, 50 is 50 and 0. So now I'm ready to multiply. 2 times 5 is 10. Add in both zeros. 9 times 5 is 45. Adding in 1 0. 20 times 0 is 0. 9 times 0 is 0. Now I'm ready to add these partial products. You can probably do this in your head as well. 1,000 plus 450 gives me a product of 1,450. Okay, I'm going to make a second video where I go through the problems on the back. We had to do 11 through 15, so that'll be part 2.